Hey, Ray Ruthin here. Welcome to the Woodcrafting Place. Well, 2020 has been a challenging year to say the least. And as the year winds down, I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers that have participated in the channels in our success in the first full year of the video channel. I am very well aware that it's because of your support that this channel continues to grow. So thank you for all your views, comments, questions, and subscriptions. I've learned a great deal from the comments, both complimentary and critical. So in return, we'll do our part to continue to invest in new equipment, in visual and audio and editing techniques. That way we can continue to enhance your viewing pleasure along with the unique topics. So lastly, as a token of our appreciation, I'd like to offer you, my subscribers, a discount to our Etsy store. 50% on any of your last-minute gift-giving needs. You'll see the coupon code and the limitations down below. So if we can help you out with any of those last-minute items, by all means, it will be in effect through the end of 2020. So hope you have a wonderful holiday. Enjoy yourself, and we'll see you again real soon in the next video.